What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my new stock channel. And on this channel here, we talk about stocks, talk about mostly dividend paying stocks. I apologize for the lighting in the room I'm in now. I'm just wanting to hurry up and get this video out as soon as possible. But this channel is about stock market, really about buying dividend paying stocks. What I look for in stocks, why I look for it in stocks, and I take apart a specific ETF or a stock, and I give you why I invest in that company, what are the pros and cons, and all that stuff like that. And on this channel, I do have another YouTube channel as well. I talk about Robinhood, and I get my overall portfolio. In this channel, I'm going in depth on certain ETFs and stocks that I invest in and what do I see while I'm investing in. Today's video talk about Global X Super Dividend US ETF. Is the ETF is an exchange traded fund, which is you buy one stock for $11.22 and you get a basket of different things. So think of an ETF like a fruit basket, and the fruit basket is like, you have fruit baskets, oranges, bananas, pears, whatever, in one basket. So it's kind of like, when you buy oatmeal. Let's say you buy a pack of oatmeal, a variety pack. So you buy one pack of oatmeal, you have banana, you have oatmeal, you have regular, you have spice and raisin. That's an ETF. ETF operates the same sector but different companies in one stock. So think of it as a oatmeal in a variety pack. And this one I like a lot because if you look at the holdings, of this business, that's the website globalx.com. This has all the Global X funds because it's a Global X fund. So there's a Global X, the ticker symbol is DIV, and it has 50 highest dividend paying equities in the United States. So we scroll down here. I don't know. I'm not the expert of stocks neither. So I'm not an expert of stocks. I'm not here to give you stock advice or financial advice. This is what I look for into stock. So do your own research. Make sure you make a great decision. But this is what I invest in. Don't have to follow me. So be warned about that. I'm not a financial advisor by any stretch of imagination. I'm just showing you what I look for in stocks on YouTube. But the top 10 holdings of the DIV ETF is BG Foods, General Mills, Verizon, Kraft, Universal Corporation, Domain Energy, Altria Group, AT&T, and Philip Morris. So that's a pretty good, solid. So you have, BG Foods has 17% inside the ETF. I'm sorry, 4.9%. General Mills have 3.8%. Verizon have 3.6%. And if you look at all the holdings here on this website, ETF.com, has BG, General Mills, Verizon, Kraft, Domain Energy. You have Duke Energy Corporation. You have Philip Morris Partners. You have Transformer Power. You have Chevron. You have ExxonMobil in here. Central Point, New Residential Investment Corporation was a REIT. Two Harbors Investment Corporation. You have a lot of stuff in here. ENG Mortgage. And the US dollar is in here as well. So this ETF has a lot of different companies in one. So it makes it a little more safer to invest in the stock market. So I tell people, how do I start investing in the stock market? I said, well, invest in things that you buy already, or get you an ETF that has everything in it. So you're pretty much in a better situation because Verizon, is not going away. Altria, Domain Energy, Philip Morris, AT&T, these companies not going away. So you're pretty much in a safer hands with this. So it's like you're investing a little bit of each company with one stock. So that's why I like the DIV exchange traded fund. Right now, with the coronavirus going on, this would be a great buy. Look at the past 5 years of this ETF. You look at, let's do it last year. Last year, October, it was $23. It's always been mid $23, $25 for the past 2007, 16, 18. It's always stayed steady. It stayed steady, $25, and right now it's at 11 right now as we're taping of this video. So with the coronavirus out right now, it's a perfect time to get into the stock market because everything is at lower price. Gas companies, everything is lower. Everyone's staying at home. Everyone is working from home. Everyone's buying a lot of food. So people are not going to the movies, going to the bowling alleys, going to events. So all those corporations are losing money. So their stock prices are going down. So if you wanted to get into the stock market, it's a perfect time to get in the stock market. And in my estimation, this is probably one of the best ETFs to get into. I still say do your own research before buying this stock. It's on you to buy the stock. So do your homework, what's involved, how much it costs, can you afford it? But ultimately, it's up to you to buy this stock. I own 7 shares of this, and it pays me a dividend of 15 cents a share. 15 cents a share. I own 7 shares, and it pays monthly. I get $1.10 every single month. And it's ETF. And the ETF, this ETF particularly is, I think it's safe to say it'll be fine. It's going to drop off because, coronavirus and, people are not going, people are getting laid off or people are not working as much. So it's going to take a hit. But, I think it's a good company, a good investment to invest in my opinion. But also do your own homework and do your own research. Buy discretion to buy. This is what I do. This is why I look for the stock. What's involved? How long it's been in business? How long has that 5-year mark? That 5-year mark has been, as you see here, the last 5 years, it's been pretty consistent. It's been $25 pretty consistently for the past 5 years. Until now, coronavirus hit, it dropped down. But it's been very, very consistent. Has not gone up, has gone down. It's been very consistent. I like consistency. Since it has so many different companies involved, it's good to go. So that's the end of my video. This is the Dividend Stock King channel. I'm going to do more videos about stocks, what I look for, why I invest in them, what's in the holdings, how much you get paid in dividends. And I'm going to actually buy the stock and see how it goes. So any comments, questions, let me know. My name is Ty, and my blog is thatsking.com. Thanks for watching.